Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy English Daily. Today, we are going to practice English for restaurants. You will learn how to order food, talk to the waiter, and handle common situations at a restaurant. Stay with me till the end, and keep repeating the phrases after me. Section 1. Greeting at the restaurant. Waiter: good evening. Do you have a reservation? Customer: yes, we do. Or no, we don't. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Good evening. Yes, we have a reservation. No, we don't have a reservation. A table for two, please. Practice tip: always smile when you greet. Section 2. Asking for a table. Customer: can we have a table by the window? Waiter: of course. This way, please. Repeat after me. Can we have a table by the window? This way, please. Could we sit outside? Section 3. Ordering drinks. Waiter: would you like something to drink? Customer: yes, I'll have a glass of water, please. Repeat after me. I'll have a glass of water. Can I see the drinks menu? Do you have fresh juice? I'd like a cup of tea. Let's try something new. Role play practice. You equals customer, I equals waiter. I'll say, would you like something to drink? Now you answer, yes, I'll have. Say whatever you want to have. Wow, you are doing great. Now let's go for Section 4. Ordering food. Repeat after me. Waiter: are you ready to order? Customer: yes, I'll have the pasta, please. Waiter: how would you like your steak? Customer: medium, please. Let's go. Repeat after me. Are you ready to order? Yes, I'll have the pasta, please. Can you recommend something? I'll take the chicken curry. I'm allergic to peanuts. Could you make it less spicy? You are doing great. Now let's have mini dialogue practice. Waiter, what would you like to eat? You, I'll have the pasta, please. Wow, you are doing great. Keep going. Next will be section 5. Asking questions about food. Customer, what's today's special? Waiter, today we have grilled salmon. Keep going. Keep repeat after me. What's today's special? Does this dish come with rice? What's in this salad? Is it vegetarian? Wow, you are doing great. Now let's go to section 6. During the meal. Customer, excuse me, can we get some extra napkins? Waiter, sure, here you go. Keep going. Keep repeat after me. Excuse me. Could we have some extra napkins? Can we get some more water? The food is delicious. Wow, you are doing great. Now let's go for section 7. Asking for the bill. Repeat after me. Customer, excuse me, can we have the bill, please? Waiter, of course. I'll be right back. Keep going. Keep repeat after me. Can we have the bill, please? Could you split the bill? Do you accept credit cards? Keep the change. Wow, you are doing great. Now let's go for section 8. Saying goodbye. Waiter, thank you for visiting. Customer, thank you. The food was wonderful. Keep going. Keep repeat after me. Thank you for the service. We'll come again. Have a good evening. Oh, great job today. You just practiced English for restaurants. You learned how to ask for a table, order food and drinks, make special requests, ask for the bill. Practice these phrases whenever you go to a restaurant. Remember, the more you repeat, the more confident you will become. If you liked this lesson, don't forget to subscribe to Easy English Daily and watch more videos for daily English practice. See you next time.